Good morning, kids. I hope you enjoyed the story The Little Snowflake and you have learned a lesson that when we work as a team, we get positive results and we get good results. Yes, children, because we all are different, we all have different positives. So, when we come as a group together, then we can add more value to that project by thinking differently, by doing it differently. Okay, that was all about Snowflake. Now, today we'll do the other activities of the lesson. So, let's start with words to know. Leap, to move or do something quickly. Squash, to press things together. Mumbling, to speak in a quiet voice. Gliding, move with a smooth, quiet, continuous motion. Now be mindful. Every team member in a team has a different expertise and different qualities. The key element for a successful team are respect to each other and the best contribution of the success of the team. Divide the class into 4 groups. Choose the process and any one item from the list given below. A candy, a raisin, a piece of bread and a fruit. Now present that you have never seen these items. Focus on these items collectively as a team and brainstorm mindfully. Pass the item around as well as the sheet of paper. Each member has to talk about one thing that they noticed in the item and write. What does it look like, how it feels, the texture, smell, taste, different ways it can be used, etc. Do not let your attention wander and other thoughts on topic. Keep on passing the item around until the team exhausts all the possible thoughts about the focused item. Once you have finished that, share your thoughts with others so that if you have worked along together, your list would have been in detailed and in a short time. Yes, children. So now we are not coming to school. However, you can do it yourself. Okay. Just think, or you can even do it with your brothers and sisters, or with your parents, or with your grandparents. Use these 4 items: a candy, a raisin, a piece of bread, and a fruit. Okay, any one fruit. Now you write something about it as if you don't know what it is. Ask your brother or sister to write something about it. Ask your grandparents to write something about it. Ask your parent to write something about it. And see, collectively we will come up with so many thoughts. Okay, do that activities and you will see that when different minds start working together, then what the result that we get is very beautiful. Okay, do this activity at home, children. You will really enjoy it. Now let's do the question and answers. What was the little droplet's dream? So the little droplet's dream was the droplet wanted to become a beautiful snowflake one day. How did the little droplet rise up and reach the sky? So when the weather was very hot, the droplet slowly dried up and turned into vapor, and then it moved into sky. What was the fate of the little droplet when it leaped to the sky to the ground? So when the droplet went to the sky, it turned into a snowflake, but as soon as it touches the ground, it was again melted back. How did the droplet feel on falling again and again? So the droplet was little disheartened. It lost hope that as soon as I touched the ground, I was melted. I was changed into water again. What happened when the droplet joined the bigger cloud for the first time? So when the droplet joined the bigger crowd and when she saw there were so many droplets waiting to be snowflake, she was thinking that nobody is looking at me, nobody is giving me importance, so I don't think I would be able to work here. What command did the senior droplet give to the other droplets? So the senior droplet says that other droplets squash up with each other so that we can form a snow. What did the nice droplet advise to the little droplet? So the nice droplet advised to the little droplet that we all are here and we love being snow and we want to cover the landscape, so we need to work together as a team. We try doing it alone, but we are not able to do that, so let's work as a team. What did the droplet realize when it achieved the dream? So when the droplet saw that together they were formed as snow and the whole landscape was covered with snow, the droplet was very happy, and it came to know that we should always work as a team to achieve the best result. Okay, now look at the picture. Do you think the nature works in a team to produce up with water? Explain your answer. Now let's see. Water vapor rise up in the air, it forms cloud, then the water cools, it turns water. This is called condensation. Water falls on earth as rain or snow. This is precipitation. Precipitation finds its way into ocean, lakes, rivers and steam. This is called this cycle starts again. Now the water in the ocean, lakes, river and steam is heated by the sun. It turns into vapor and this is called evaporation. See, our nature is also working as a cycle, right? So पहले क्या होता है, जो वाटर वेपर होते हैं, पानी पहले तो गर्म जो वाटर वेपर्स होते हैं वो कंडेंसेशन बन के कूल होके आकाश में चले जाते हैं, ठीक है. फिर वो स्नो और रेन की तरह ज़मीन पे फॉल होते हैं. फिर वो ज़मीन पे फॉल होते हैं तो वो रिवर्स और स्टीम और वैलीज़ में बहते हैं. फिर वापस से सूरज गर्म होता है तो वेपर बन जाते हैं पानी एंड आकाश में चले जाते हैं. That is how the cycle works. Okay, you can read more about this and write it down in the blank page, this blank space you have. Okay, now we have Tony and Tutu. Do you know working as a team brings success? Yes, that's true. Then you must show me your answer in the test. We can work as a team. I could help you to learn your lesson being your partner. That is called teamwork. What are your suggestion is called cheating. Yes, the bird is saying we should work as a team, so you show me your answers in the exam. So the monkey is saying I will tell you how to learn the answers, but I will not show you, because that is what is called cheating. Yes, children, we should always help each other, but not in wrong things. We should always help each other in good ways. Okay. Okay, now in subject connects, children, we have words. Now you need to make a proper sentence of these words. Okay, so these are the words from the lesson. Read them properly and make the sentence. Now complete the conversation. Joe, I need a little help hanging the poster higher on the wall. Sandy, I will hold it from one end and then you can hang it. We can hang it up together. Bro, I can hold the ladder and I can hold the ladder and provide support. Teacher, what a wonderful team you are. Now there are some words there are some alphabets, we need to arrange them in the words. The first one is together, the second one is listening, third one is helpful and the fourth one is communicative. Okay. Now value for life. See, we have the dream team value. Celebrate together, works on one has one goal. Believe in unity, respect, trust and understand all the team members. Value every team member contribution. Embrace differences from the team member. Welcome new idea and constantly evolve. Take responsibility and accountability seriously. See, that's the way a good team will be built. Okay. Now be wise. Do you know that teamwork is a skill that is necessary at every point of life? Any person who has ever achieved even the smallest success in life has at some point worked as a team member in order to achieve the success. Teamwork helps us to develop in our personality. It makes us more tolerant and teaches us to respect views of others. It helps us to develop many skills such as learning, creativity, conflict resolution and motivation. Yes, children. So when we work as a team, we learn to respect and we learn to listen to others. And these are the qualities that we develop when we work as a team member. Okay. Now we have activity for you, children. So you must have done this, the 3-legged race, right? When we were coming to school, we have done it. We will again do it once we are back in school. So don't do this activity as if now. Now, given below is the list of words. Combine any number of words from the list and try to make a meaningful sentence as you can. You can add a part of speech as per your convenience. You may work as a team to do this activity. Yeah, so we have few words here, which is meet, regulation, group, weather, furious, school, principle, peace, dream, and communicate. So make a sentence using these words, children. Okay, these are all positive words. So make a sentence, a nice sentence using these words. Do this activity when you have free time. Okay, that was all about the snowflake and working as a team. So always remember in life that to become a good team leader, we have to respect each other and we have to listen to each other. Okay, and when we work as a team, we will always get good and better results. I will see you in the next class. In the meanwhile, bye bye. Take care.